Formula One School STEM Challenge is an engineering and design learning project for students implemented in high school all around the world, with more than 20 countries participating from Europe, North and Southern America, Africa, the Middle East, and Australia. The international competition has a very positive implication for all students involved. The main mission of this competition is to help change the perception of engineering, science and technology by creating a fun, enjoyable and exciting environment for students to explore their careers in engineering, marketing, science and technology field. F1 is still the only global multidisciplinary challenge in which team of students aged 9 to 19 deploy CAD or CAM software for collaborate, design, analyze, manufacture, test and then test race miniature compressed air power Basaru F1 cars. The challenge inspires students to use IT to learn about physics, aerodynamic design, manufacture, branding, graphics, sponsorship, marketing, leadership or teamwork, their skill and also financial strategy and apply them in a practical, imaginative, competitive and exciting way.
The main purpose of this sponsorship application from behalf of new party is to seek for assistance in the financial aspect specifically. The financial support shall be put to use to fund for the first aspect, prototype manufacturing and engineering material. 3D printer that used to make the front and rear wheels of our car model. It is really important to have this thing to compete in the competition, and the estimate cost is 4,000 ringgit. Second, tires and bearing. These parts are the most important because the lightest tire can increase the car speed to win this competition. Also the bearing, the high quality bearing is the ceramic bearing. This bearing can help the rotation of the tire to create the best acceleration. The total of bearing is 352 ringgit and the total of tire is 720 ringgit. Third, metallic paint is used to paint the car model to make the car look great. The estimate cost is 300 ringgit. For the second aspect is attire or garment. We plan to make t-shirt, corporate t-shirt and cap to promote our team identity to others. And the estimate cost is 600 ringgit. Third aspect, marketing document. We plan to make brochure, banners and merchandise to get more attention from any company and other people. And the estimate cost is 5,000 ringgit. Last aspect is multimedia and the estimate cost is 1,000 ringgit.
If you are wondering, why should I sponsor this student in this competition? We have just the answer for you. Contribute to the ignition of students' imagination to encourage them to explore the endless career possibilities in the science study field. Publicity. Since this is a prestige international competition, your company shall also indirectly gain publicity benefit for a good image of your company. Advertising. In our marketing process, we shall include your company's name and logo. Thus, your company shall receive free effortless advertising. Plus, as a sense of humanity, we need this to resuscitate our school, Sultan Muhammad Jiwa Science Secondary School image sky high.